Many times I work at night, so this is what I did for lights in my van. When I open the door, the factory light comes on, and I have replaced the standard bulbs with LEDs because I have a habit of leaving them on at night. And right here in the door, I have two buttons that turn the extra light bars on over there. And this one turns it on, and this one turns it off. And I actually have another set right here in the side door. And up over there, right where the light bars are, there's even a third set. And it doesn't matter where I turn the lights on or off. I can turn them on and off wherever I want because they're wired through a relay back behind the trim over there. Let's see. Show you on a piece of paper what it did. I wired them through one of these relays. Let's see. So we got the control side. And let's see, how do you do a relay? Been a while. Anyway, you get the idea. These two right here is the side that controls whether it's on or off. This is the input. So we connect this one to the positive side of the battery. And these relays aren't latching. In order to turn it into a latching relay, what you have to do is you take the output and run it back into the control side. And that way, whenever it is on, it'll stay on. And just so you can turn it off, what you do is you take the side that is grounded and connect your normally closed, in this case, buttons through there. So you have a way of shutting it off, and then just put two there as an example, and then you connect that to your ground or your negative. And on the output side here, you basically, this is going to be a positive when it is on. You're going to go to your light bars. And the other side of the light bar, you just, you just put to ground also. Lights. Now, to initially turn it on, we're going to have to somehow energize this circuit right here. And all we have to do is basically we go from here, and it's a crappy drawing, I'm sorry. And you put your normally open buttons right here, which are the red ones. And you go straight to the positive side. That way, let's forget about this one for a second. That way, if you bump either any of those buttons, it'll energize the relay, and it'll stay on because after it's turned on, it'll be energized through the relay. And whenever you press one of the normally closed buttons, you're taking the ground away from the control side, and so you're letting go of the relay, if that makes any sense. These lights, the light bars, I bought from American Van, and they're kind of neat because they're dimmable. You can turn them on and off individually, and if you click it once, they're kind of dim, and you click them again and they're super bright. And with that one being mounted directly across from the door, I can actually open up the right side door here, and I can illuminate my work area. If I'm at a storage unit, for example, I need to pick the lock. I pull up right next to it, turn the lights on, open both doors, and I don't have to get a flashlight out or anything. And as you can see, it's plenty bright too. To work in here on either side, you can see inside all the cabinets. And it's actually not as unpleasant as it seems if you're sitting in front of it. If you look at it, it doesn't blind me. Anyway, I just figured I'd show you that.